Welcome back. Whether you have a free or paid version of Claude, you can enable artifacts. And artifacts, as is stated, can generate content such as code snippets, text documents, or website designs. So it's a very flexible way of being able to interact with the chatbot. For example, we can ask Claude to take the information that we have given it and to produce an interactive website. Once we give it instructions, we're then going to click enter, and Claude will begin to work on a coding process in order to create and honor our request. And what you'll see on the right side is the result of your requests. And you'll see the final result here in this area. So you can do more than just create written content with Claude based on what you generate. You can also generate code snippets and even web content by using Claude Artifacts. For example, we can come back and we can ask for the same information in another visual guide. So we will request another element be created with our artifacts. You will see the step-by-step thought process on the left side, and you will see the creation process on the right side. And so you'll see there the beginnings of the infographic as well as the mind map. In the case of the mind map, you'll need to scroll in order to see it. However, it is present. Okay, so thanks, and I will see you in another video.